Introduction. Italy is renowned for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and world-class education. Pursuing a master's degree in Italy can be an exciting opportunity, especially with the possibility of receiving a €6,500 stipend and zero tuition fees. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the entire process, from choosing the right program to applying for scholarships and finally enrolling in one of Italy's esteemed universities. Additionally, we will provide a list of universities offering such opportunities. Step 1. Research and choose your program before you begin your journey to study in Italy. It's crucial to research and select a program that aligns with your academic and career goals. Consider factors such as the field of study, course duration, language requirements, and location. Italy offers a wide range of master's programs in various disciplines, including arts, science, engineering, and business. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. Once you've decided on a program, it's essential to check if you meet the eligibility criteria. These criteria may vary from university to university and from program to program. Generally, you will need a bachelor's degree or its equivalent, along with proof of English or Italian language proficiency, depending on the language of instruction. Step 3. Scholarships and funding. Italy offers numerous scholarships for international students pursuing master's degrees. The €6,500 stipend and zero tuition fee opportunity you mentioned may be available through specific scholarship programs or universities. Some popular scholarship options include the Italian government scholarships, EDISU Piedmont scholarships, and university-specific scholarships. Carefully review the eligibility criteria and application deadlines for these scholarships. Step 4. Prepare application materials. Gather all the necessary documents for your application. These typically include a completed application form, online or paper, copies of your academic transcripts and diplomas, translated into Italian or English, a curriculum vitae, CV, or resume, letters of recommendation, a statement of purpose or motivation letter, proof of language proficiency, English or Italian, passport-sized photos, a valid passport, any required standardized test scores, e.g., GRE, GMAT. Step 5. Submit your application. Submit your application to the chosen university or scholarship program by the specified deadline. Ensure that you follow the application guidelines provided by the institution or scholarship provider. Pay any required application fees. Step 6. Visa and residence permit. Once you receive an acceptance letter from the university, you'll need to apply for an Italian student visa and residence permit. Visit the Italian embassy or consulate in your home country to initiate the visa application process. Ensure you have all the necessary documents, including proof of financial means, health insurance, and a valid passport. Step 7. Travel and accommodation. Plan your travel to Italy and arrange for accommodation before your departure. Many universities offer assistance in finding housing for international students. Alternatively, you can explore private accommodation options such as apartments or shared housing. Step 8. Arrival in Italy. Upon arrival in Italy, complete the necessary administrative procedures, including registering with the local police and obtaining a residence permit. Attend any orientation sessions organized by your university to help you settle in and get familiar with the academic environment. Step 9. Enjoy your studies and explore Italy. Now that you've successfully enrolled in your master's program, make the most of your time in Italy. Immerse yourself in the rich culture, history, and cuisine while focusing on your studies and research. List of Italian universities offering scholarships with a €6,500 stipend and zero tuition fee. 1. Politecnico di Milano. 2. University of Milan. 3. University of Bologna. 4. Sapienza University of Rome. 5. University of Pisa. 6. University of Florence. 7. University of Padua. 8. University of Turin. 9. University of Naples Federico II. 10. University of Siena. Please note that scholarship availability may change from year to year, so it's essential to verify the details and deadlines on the official websites of the universities and scholarship providers. Best of luck with your pursuit of a master's degree in Italy in 2024.